Let's make Tunisian famous breakfast, shakshuka. So for this recipe we will need onion, garlic, tomato and eggs. Chop everything. Pour the olive oil and fry the onions till it's cooked. Add the chopped garlic and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the tomatoes and cook it till it becomes soft. Add little bit of salt and chili flakes. Make some space for eggs and crack in the eggs. Cover and cook in low flame for 8 minutes. Garnish the shakshuka and your famous breakfast is ready to munch. It's very tasty and very easy to make. If you guys like this recipe, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching.